Hello all. So this is the levels that I'm personally checking out for trading for tomorrow. So first of all, let's have a quick look at the charts of Nifty in the 15 minutes time frame. So just like yesterday, today also we saw some selling activity coming towards the later half. And we see for ourselves the 16,040 levels has been more or less acting as a resistance earlier, which later on converted to the new support level for Nifty. So the last day also the same level was holding as a support, and today the level just managed to get broken. So, having a look at the international markets and the CPI data out there, I personally feel there could be a potential gap down opening, but none of us can predict the markets. Let's see how it is going to respond. On the other hand side, if there is a gap down, I personally feel that the next point of support for Nifty could be somewhere near 15,800, and the next level after that could be somewhere approx nearby the 15,650 marks. So, which was holding as an old level of support. So as far as I am concerned, if I'm to short calls on the Nifty side, it would be somewhere nearby the 1650, above the 16,000 levels, or the 1650 levels, above the 1650 levels that I'll definitely check out for. Uh, let's watch out and wait and see where market opens tomorrow. Now, I feel that it will always be better to check out for shorting opportunities based on every rise. If we have a bearish price action tomorrow. And on a similar note, the charts of Bank Nifty is also looking somewhat similar. So Bank Nifty also, we see that the 35,000 levels has been holding as the old resistance, which started to act as a new support. So today the level has just managed to get broken. So in the case of Bank Nifty, there is a gap that is left to fill between 34,600 and the 34,400 levels. So if at all markets give some sort of a gap and open somewhere near 34,600, I'll check out for gap filling opportunities from 34,600 to 34,400. So here too, I'll be keen on checking out for shorting opportunities on strikes nearby the 35,000 levels. And if at all after the gap is getting filled, some sort of a bullish price action is getting formed, then I'll consider converting the short calls and selling some puts also and convert it into a short strangle. So this is my plan for tomorrow. I'll majorly check out for selling OTM calls in Bank Nifty as well as Nifty. So in the case of Bank Nifty, post a gap filling taking place, I might consider selling puts and convert the position into a short strangle. So as far as I'm concerned, I feel that if 34,600 is getting broken, 34,400 gap can get filled. Why? Because this was the old resistance level, which was acting, which could potentially act as a new support also. And there are some stocks that I have been watching out for swing for this week. So one was ABB. So I had mentioned in my earlier video that I'll wait for some sort of a pullback opportunity in order to enter this trade. And it seems that over the last 2 days, after showing some sort of a bullish pressure, some sort of a small pullback we see towards the old resistance that is broke. Okay. So this was the old resistance for the stock that later on converted to the new support level. Okay. So here, what I'll be keen on checking out for us, I'll check out for some long opportunity if the high of this particular candle is getting broken. That is, I feel that tomorrow we have a bullish candle out there, and the high of today's candle is getting formed, is getting broken, and we have some pattern similar to a morning star. I'll check out for an entry with my stop loss at the low. Okay, so I'll check out for a long side opportunity with my stop loss basically at the low, that is over here, expecting a 1:2 as my first reward. Okay, that would be the first target I'll check out for. On a similar note, the other stocks that I was watching out for, one was Delta Corporation. So Delta Corporation too, it is just looking ready to give a breakout. Okay, so irrespective of the fact we have been seeing some bearish candles, the price has always been trying to get pierced on the upside. So I'll wait for a proper breakout to happen. I'll wait for a proper closing above these levels for Delta Corp in order to initiate some long entries. So in this case also, an easy 1:2 risk reward ratio is possible if you are getting a closing above this. So I have set my alerts to get my entry triggers. So ABB2, I have set my alert over here. So as the high of today's candle is getting close, I'll check out for long side swings. Same way, same thing applies for Tata Chemical also. That is, we were checking out for a double bottom neckline breakout. So here we have something like a neckline is just trying to get taken out. Okay, that is, if I consider this to be the neckline. So what is happening in this case, in fact, is The price is touching exactly the neckline levels, and it has been staying over here. So now, if this particular tight range, which appears to be somewhat like a mother and child pattern, just show you guys. So this is the daily time frame. So if you have a look at this, the price has been confined within this particular range. Okay, that is after Monday. The next two bars that has been forming are similar to inside bars. Okay, so I consider the first green one to be the mother candle, and pause the high of the mother candle getting broken. I'll consider checking out for some long opportunities, expecting once again a EC 1:2 target. So here it's a 1:2.5. My reward would be like almost 2.5 times the risk that I could potentially be taking. So, friends, once again, as far as the swing trades that I have been watching out for are concerned, I feel ABB could give an entry tomorrow, maybe Tata Chemicals too. So, Delta Corp will still have to wait for the candle to give a closing above this level and then decide whether to go for an entry or not. Now, in the case of Nifty, I will be more comfortable in checking out for short side opportunities because that's what the general market outlook is at this point in time. Similar case applies to Bank Nifty too. So when it kind of comes to Bank Nifty, the difference is going to be the fact that if the market falls down, fills in the gap, then I'll also consider selling OTM puts and convert the position into a short strand. So let's see how it goes for tomorrow. So I hope all of you have a great trading day. And I personally feel for myself that the markets are going to be volatile tomorrow because of all these things happening. So wishing all a happy expiry. Thank you.